Hello beta, let's start with exercise that is 10C. But before starting the exercise, I request you guys that please watch the introductory videos, otherwise you will not be able to solve or understand the sums that what I am doing here. So please watch the introductory videos first. Okay, our question number 1 is write each of the following sets in roster form. We know how to write in roster form now. That first when we will start writing the set, we will put all the data inside the curly bracket and we'll separate the numbers by putting commas between them. So question number 1 is set of 5 numbers each of which is divisible by 3. Firstly we will think about that which numbers are divisible by 3. Just we have to make their set. You can give name it to the set. I'm giving it name A, and name is always in capital letter, that's why A is capital. Start with curly bracket and now start writing the numbers that are divisible by 3. So I will just it's very easy, and we can write the table of 3. 6, 9, 12, 15. This is the roster form of a set. Next question is the set of integers between -4 and 4. We have to write the integers that comes between -4 and 4. You know the integers are the negative as well as positive numbers that are called integers. So put the curly bracket. We have to write between these two numbers, that what numbers comes between 2. That is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next is X is a letter in the word school. X is a letter in the word school. And so we can give name to the set, that is A. A is always capital. But other letters, whatever is given here, we will write it in small numbers. Why we will take them small? Because to make the difference from the name of the set. So we will write the numbers, the letters in the small form. So start the curly bracket. S, C, small c, H, O, small h, O, comma, L. Why I have taken why I write O only single time? Because I told you in the property that repetition is not considered in a set. So O is coming twice. That's why I have taken it one time only. Next is X is an odd number, odd natural number between 10 and 20. You know what are natural number now? I have already told you. The number that starts with 1 are called natural numbers. So start writing the set. Name of set I am giving A. Put the curly bracket. Then the odd numbers that comes between 10 and 20. Odd number is 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Close the bracket. And next is vowels used in the word America. We have to write vowel sounds. As A is already given, so I will write the name of set is X. Start with curly bracket. Here again beta I am telling you that the letters which we will write inside the curly bracket, we will write them in small form. Why small? Because to make the difference from the name of set. Because name of set we always take capital. That's why we are taking them small. We have to write vowel sound. We know that vowel sounds are A, E, I, O and U. So now check the vowel sounds. A, comma, E, I. Again A is coming, but due to repetition we are not taking it. The last one is consonants. What are consonants? The letters other than vowels are called consonant. There are 21 consonants in the alphabet. Consonants used in the word America. Again it's America. No beta. It's not America. It's Madras. Give name of set, that is X. Start writing the consonants. M, comma, A is vowel sound. D, comma, R, comma, S. So these are the consonants. Repetition we will not take. Either number comes 20 times, but we will write the number only one time because we will not repeat the numbers. Okay, I have solved the part 1 of exercise 10C. Now it's your time. You will solve your question number 2, part 2, that is the roster form, same as that of 1. You will solve it and send me the pics on my WhatsApp group, or you can send the pics in the comment box, and the best pics that will be totally right I will post in the group so that to help the other students. Thank you, Vita.